Switching between several possible components, like tabs, doesn't need a big weave chain. Vue has a built-in element for exactly this. In this video you'll use component tag to switch components dynamically, then wrap it in KeepAlive tag to preserve state. currentTab genuinely holds a real component definition itself, not just a string name. Clicking either button genuinely swaps which real component tag renders. This is the real problem. Any typed draftText is genuinely lost the instant you switch to another tab and back. Wrapping in KeepAlive tag genuinely catches TabProfile's instance. Switching away and back now preserves draftText exactly. Chaining weave branches to switch components works but scales badly and destroys each one's state on every switch. Component is switches cleanly, and KeepAlive genuinely preserves state across those switches when you need it. Component tag renders whichever real component X currently refers to. Without KeepAlive, switching away from a dynamic component destroys its state entirely. KeepAlive tag catches inactive instances, using onActivated onDeactivated instead of mount/unmount. Build to simple tab components and switch between them with component tag, then wrap it in KeepAlive tag. Next, rendering an element completely outside its parent's DOM position with teleport.